Hi everybody, and a warm welcome back to MapleLeaf Customs in Switzerland. I'm Andrew, and today's video is another mail call unboxing. This one comes all the way from California, and friend of the channel, Joe. Joe says, "Hello Andrew, I hope you enjoy these cars. There are a few Porsches included also. Thanks for all the hours of entertainment and education of your videos, and I love the giving back to the community you do by giving your cars away." That's awesome. Thank you, Joe. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and Happy New Year. Well, thank you, Joe, for thinking of me way over here and taking the time, and I know the exorbitant expense of shipping things over to Switzerland, so this is greatly appreciated. As is the very first car I unravel, it's a Land Rover Safari. Banged up but easy to restore, and that's the whole idea of the channel. I've never had a Kenner Fast 111's model. I don't know that name, so I'm going to do a little research on this buggy. I like it. I know this one. This is the Hot Wheels California Cruisin' Super Van. Always looking for a van. They're a great big blank canvas to work on. Here's a Hot Wheels Red Baron. Partial. It's missing the helmet that you see there that goes on a stem through the seat. I'll be able to source one of those, I hope, or maybe even 3D print one. So I like the original red lines. And here's a Matchbox Case tractor. These are often missing the tracks or the treads, and so they're an easy find on eBay. That'll make a good restoration to go to the Goodwill store for sure. Porsche number 1 is a 959. Nice one, Joe. Looks like it's got some extra paint on there. But I'll clean that up. Love to work on a Porsche, of course. A Johnny Lightning playing Mantis. You know what? I only have maybe 2 Johnny Lightnings. It's really hard for me to get castings over here. This is why I appreciate the mail calls so much. So that makes just 3 or 4 for me, and it's a cool dragster. Alright, this is a Lesney Weatherhill hydraulic excavator. There's what it looks like complete, so it's missing the shovel and the rams that make it work. But I'm happy to have it just like this. This is a recognizable Matchbox Superfast coach. Got some yellow glass in there, and I don't know if that's the original silver paint or if it's just been worn off, but that can go in many different directions with a customization. This BMC 1800 Pininfarina needs an A-pillar and a windshield. Other than that, that's going to make a very cool exotic customization job. This is another heavy equipment piece, a draught excavator by Lesney. Also showing complete form here, so I need some treads and a shovel or blade for the front of that one. But these are all good projects that I'll enjoy working on. Oh, look at this. Another Lamborghini Mira. I showed one in the last mail call in a larger scale, and I recently did one a couple months ago, so I love the Lambos, and the Mira is a popular one from the 70s. Everybody's got a Dodge wreck truck. I think I have a couple of these. I'm going to need a hook on the back and a light on the top. And then it's just going to be freshened up with paint and decals. Hey, it's Porsche number 2. Also a 959. Look at this. Now I've got a pair of them. They look identical, but if you flip them over, you'll see slight differences on the bases underneath, mainly in the stamping. 2 different casting runs, I'm guessing. This is a cool looking fantasy car. It's a Hot Wheels Tigre in beautiful condition. Okay, I got some ideas for that. That can go to the Goodwill store too, like most of these. There they all are, and thank you, Joe. Big thanks for thinking of me and sending these all the way from California. Thanks everybody for watching today. Drive carefully. It's coffee time.